This is a 1957 Pontiac Star Chief convertible, CoralIvory. Beautiful car. It's an auction car at the MecumKissimmee auction. Notice the fender mounted ornamentation here. Full wheel covers, white walls. And here's the equipment that it has. 347 cubic inch engine, 244 horsepower. It has dual range hydromatic, and it's from a private collection. But there's something unusual about this car. It's not listed on that list of equipment, but I think this car originally had air conditioning. Too bad the hood isn't up, so we'd have a better idea of what might still be there. Beautiful coral and gray interior here. And you see on the left there one of the air vents. One on the right also. And on top of the dash, you'll notice that blister there on top of the dash. I have a feeling that's the control for the air conditioner. Below is the speaker for the radio underneath the dash. So I hope somebody familiar with these 57 Pontiacs and those that might be air conditioned could give me an answer on that. Now there's another unusual thing. The exhaust pipes are going through the bumper there, but they don't make use of the full opening there on the bumper. It's just the exhaust pipe. That's kind of a strange situation. But it's really a pretty car. Here you see the other air conditioner or fresh air vent, whatever it might be. Notice they moved away from the hood ornaments to fender ornaments.